This Odoo training video is prepared by Unicom ERP, a division of Easy to Learn company, an Odoo partner. If you need any Odoo support, please feel free to contact us. The solution provided here is a customized solution for Saudi Arabia. In this video we will be looking at the employment appraisal in Odoo 17. Employee assessments are a critical component of human resource management. They serve as a basis for recognizing and rewarding employees, which can boost morale and encourage continued excellence in their roles. The Odoo Appraisals module can be used to regularly assess staff performance. In addition to allowing workers to self-evaluate, managers have the ability to examine their performance using this module. First, let's look into the configuration of Appraisal module. Go to Configuration, Settings. Here we can see the feedback templates. Form outlines used during an employee appraisal are called feedback templates. An employee feedback template and manager feedback template is available here. Any edits made to a template are, ultimately, reflected in the appraisals sent to employees. We can see multiple sections, questions under each section, and brief explanations of how to answer the questions. The employee feedback template has sections such as My Work, My Future, and My Feelings. The manager feedback template has the sections like Feedback, Evaluation, and Improvements. If you want to make any desired changes to the default feedback templates that can be made from here, you can edit the question description against each. Under Appraisal section, we can see appraisal plans where it is set as default to be automatically created 6 months after an employee is hired, with a second appraisal exactly 6 months after that. After the 2 appraisals, the following appraisals are only created once a year. You can also modify this. The 360 feedback option can be enabled to allow managers to request feedback from other employees using a different survey form at any time, independent of the appraisal schedule. Next, let's look at the creation of evaluation scale. On each employee appraisal form, final rating options appear by default. These options are available here in evaluation scale. We can see the options that we have by default here. In addition to this, we can also create new ones. Under tags, we can create new goal tags. Now let's look at the creation of a new appraisal for an employee. Already created appraisals can be viewed here. We can change the view from here. We can also filter the appraisals by department and status. To create a new appraisal, click the New button. Enter the employee's name in the name field. The manager, date, and department of the employee will appear as per the details given. We can see the employee appraisal form and manager feedback form here. You can change the visibility of the forms from here. Once the form is complete, click the Confirm button to confirm the appraisal request. Once confirmed, the employee receives an email stating that an appraisal was requested and is then prompted to schedule an appraisal date. The status changes to Confirmed, and the employee's feedback section of the Appraisal tab is grayed out. The information in that section only appears after the self-assessment is published by the employee. The final rating field also appears once the appraisal request is confirmed. Once an appraisal is confirmed, the next steps are for the employee to fill out the self-assessment, after which the manager completes their assessment. After the employee completes the assessment, it will be visible here like this. The manager enters their responses in the fields in the same manner as the employee. Under the Skills tab, you can enter the skills of the employee. Under the Private tab, you can enter any private notes. Once the appraisal is done, click on Mark as Done. Now the appraisal for employee is done. This is all about employment appraisal in Odoo 17. Thank you.